Yeah, sounds kind of weak. All right, we got a brand new 6th generation 4Runner with a little weak little horn. It's probably the same horn they use in a Corolla, so we're gonna upgrade that today with the premium horn. Alrighty, so yeah, this is a factory upgrade here. This is actually what comes on, I think, a Land Cruiser overseas. Here's the part number. I will have a link in the description box. You can pick this up on Amazon. Check it out. Here's what we got. One horn is the low horn and one is the high horn. These are very good looking horns. When I pull the old ones out, you'll see they're very plain. These are actually finished really nice. They're like painted. A nice decal on them. This comes with a little bit of hardware. It comes with a bolt, washer, and a zip tie. Okay, so this is going to be an extremely easy install. Okay, or upgrade. You have these push pins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're gonna remove those. They're really easy to remove. All we do is just push the tab in, and you can pull them right out, okay? And when we go to put these back in, we're going to need to push the tab back through like this, or they look like this when we go to put them back, okay? Put them back in the hole. Lock it in like that. So we're gonna take all these out. Try not to drop them. Truck's pretty new, so these won't break more than likely. So the last thing you want to do is drop them down there. You don't want them anywhere near that, because then you have to go fish them out of the air box. So just be careful you don't bump that if you're putting your hardware there. So I really like this new engine, this new turbo engine. It's in these 4Runners and Tacomas. It's pretty nice. This is not the hybrid one, but not too bad. So far the mileage has been, I don't know, we only got like 400 miles on it. The mileage has been around 20 mpg, so not too bad. So we just pulled that right off. You can see the horns right here. Okay, you got 2 of them. 12mm bolts. All right, so 12mm wrench. Wow, this thing is a lot smaller than the new one. All right, so there's a little locking tab right here. It's gonna push. You can pull the horn off. You can see this one. This one's all metally. They look completely different, but they should plug right in the same. Plug it in first. Let me just put the bolt back. This has got to be one of the easiest upgrades I've ever done. Let's get our panel. Lose this guy. I don't know how I even left that on there. Put it right back on. Push pins back in, and then we'll test the horn. Just want to say that if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more, you want to support the channel, please hit subscribe. If you like the video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. I have a link for the horns in the comment box and in the description box, so it's in 2 places. The link takes you to Amazon. You can get them really quick there. I got them in like 2 days. So check it out. They are the best price there probably. So let's see what it sounds like. All right, well that sounds a lot better. Okay, so I just watched the replay of the first beep beep. and it definitely sounds like a Toyota Corolla. So this is definitely a nice upgrade. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, if you drive a Corolla, these will fit on here. Any of the new generation Toyotas, the cars like the Camry, the Corolla Cross, they definitely will bolt right on, and it gives you the extra bolt if you need the extra bolt to bolt it on, and some zip ties to zip tie the wiring up. But yeah, if you want to make it sound more like a truck, check out the link, go to Amazon and pick you up some premium Toyota horns. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.